angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something sparkly, a little bit festive, and perfect for the holidays. I'll be showing you step by step how I create this beautiful bronze eye makeup look that is a chef's kiss on brown eyes. I'll be linking all the products that I use in the description box down below, using a few of my favorite products plus some new ones that I haven't tried before. The white background low-key gives asylum, but we're gonna let it by this time. And plot twist, this is my first holiday season on the East Coast. I know a lot of you know that I recently moved from Vancouver on the West Coast to Montreal on the East Coast, and I've got some feelings to unpack, so grab some hot chocolate, some snacks, and let's do the glam and chat. As always, I applied some tapes to the side just to make sure that our application is perfect. Now, these are the two products that I'm basing the look on, and I've never tried these before, but I saw a Pinterest photo of a very beautiful bronze sparkly eyeliner look, and I bought this specifically to recreate it and do something similar, and I feel like this base would work so well with this eyeliner. But I think I'm gonna start with this Charlotte Tilbury base, and this is in the shade Pillow Talk. It's also a very bronzy, very sparkly kind of eyeshadow base, but I like the formula of this when it comes to mixing it with other liquid products and with powders as well. Taking a flat brush and then just gonna generously apply this all over my eyelid. The base is on, and now we are bringing out Miss Naked Palette. Yes, we are bringing her out of retirement because she still slaps. Like, these colors literally give holiday glam. It's not all, but like, I'm still the main character energy kind of vibes. On the fluffy brush that came in the palette, I'm taking the shade Dark Horse into my crease. I already did this eye off camera, so I'm gonna do the other one with you guys, and we're taking like a pretty good amount because this needs some layering. Literally just buffing it into the crease, window swiper motion to add some dimension and extra definition to the look. Now we're gonna use the Armani tint, and this is in the shade 68S. It's a liquid eyeshadow formula. It's really easy to work with. I've used this in other colors, but this is my first time ever using this color. So I'm going straight in from the applicator and literally just putting a good amount on the inner corner and slightly towards the middle of the eyelid. We're gonna take a blending brush, something a little bit thicker and stubbier than a fluffy brush, and we're just gonna blend this liquid eyeshadow outwards and a little bit upwards to make it more seamless with the other colors that we put on the eyes. And you know, guys, being away from my husband's family and my chosen family of friends around the holiday season is a little bit bittersweet. In a way, we are creating our own new traditions here, but also I got used to being around my family and friends over there on the West Coast that it kind of feels sad, you know? Like, let's be real, who's going to like overfeed me dessert? You know, the important questions, because JL's mom always makes like literally the best desserts ever, and I miss them so dearly because I don't know how to bake, and I don't know why JL hasn't made any, you know? Good question. I need to show you guys this sparkle from a different light angle because truly so pretty. Now we're gonna take a darker shade for the outer corner or the V area, so I'm gonna go with the shade Creep. Don't be scared, I know it is like a shimmery black, but it's very wearable, very buildable. On a fluffy brush, the same brush that we used for the crease, we're gonna add this in the outer area, and I like to call this the drama moment. Tapping it exactly where we want it to be. And this is when the tape comes in handy. Like, you're not gonna mess up the shape because the tape got you covered. Next up, we'll be taking the shade Sin, which is the light pearly shade, on a flat brush, and we're taking this to the brow bone. You could use any like light pearly shade. It doesn't necessarily have to be this same shade from the same palette, but this palette has all the colors that we need. There's nothing I hate more than doing liquid eyeliner on camera because I get in a very focused mode. I like literally zone it onto my eyeliner and get it all perfected. So we're gonna try and do this together. Also my first time ever using this product, so I don't know how the applicator was gonna be like. Okay, Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. We're getting into something also. This is very pigmented. I like that. I'm a huge fan of these Fenty. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because you guys, I'm struggling, but you get the point. I did the other eye and I also did the rest of my face off camera because you guys, I don't want to bore you with the same exact base routine that I do in every single video. If you want me to do a breakdown of this base routine with the exact products that I used here, please let me know in the comments because I'm more than happy to do so, but I don't want this video to be too long and too boring. We're taking the shade Creep, yes, the black shade, don't be scared again, on an angled brush, and this is gonna be for the lower lash line. I kind of want to do like a very intense, very smoky lower lash line, and I'm gonna put brown eyeliner in the waterline, or maybe black. I'll see which one I'm feeling, but I'm more leaning towards brown. But yeah, taking it on an angled brush, and we're just gonna lightly outline the lower lash line, like stamp it, and don't like move it around like this because you don't want any fallout, especially after you've done your base like I did. Now on a small but fluffy brush, we're taking the shade Smog, which is like another bronzy shimmery shade. It perfectly matches what we did on the eyelid. And we're just like literally putting this all the way under the lower lash line and blending. So one of the new holiday traditions that JL and I are doing this year is doing a stocking for Desi, our dog. Yes, he's getting his own stocking. How cute. And we started filling it out and he keeps going to the wall where we have all the stockings hanging and like sniffing and like trying to bite it down off the wall. And if you guys have seen my dog on Instagram, he's a 120-pound bull mastiff, so he could literally pull it off the wall and damage the wall. But he's behaving for now. He's learning how to be patient, which is something very new to him. I don't want to take Dark Horse again, but on the angled brush, and just like pack it more under the lower lash line. They really want that like super like smoky, intense like lash look. I feel like this is gonna bring it all together and add the little bedazzle that we're missing. Okay, with how smoky the eye look is looking right now, I think I'm gonna do black in the waterline actually. So I'm gonna grab my Inglot gel liner and line the inside of my waterline. I zoomed in so you guys could see better, but I am telling you there is nothing that compares to this hot black gel eyeliner from Inglot. It's waterproof, smudge proof, does not move, does not budge. It was in my 2024 beauty favorites video, as many of you saw, and it's exactly what I have in my waterline right now. It added the perfect amount of drama. Now for the final step, blending everything together with lashes and mascara. Now lashes are optional. I'm gonna do falsies personally. I mean, this is the season for drama. Like, who doesn't want some extra glam on their eyes? This is a glam makeup look, you know? For mascara, I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite, the Lancome Lash Idol mascara, and I've talked about this so much, you guys. I'm gonna do my lashes and apply my falsies off camera and come back with a final look. Finished up the glam. What do you guys think? Would you recreate this look? If you do, please tag me because I would love to see your guys' recreations. Oh, and before I forget, so my lashes are in the style Rare by this brand called Fenty Beauty. They're a small business. I'm trying to support more small businesses lately because I have beef with one of the OG like lash brands that I used to work with, and they're Canadian, so kind of surprised. And then for lip liner, I did this from Maybelline. These are so good. This is the Lifter liner, and this is in the shade number 3 layer. So good, and it matches with a lot of different lipstick. And for lipstick, I did Kylie Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Here for It. One thing though that I don't miss about holidays and Christmas in the West Coast is that we never really got snow there, and it is a lot snowier here. It's been snowing for the past 2 weeks and it feels like a holiday because of the snow, and I genuinely love that. The West Coast girly had to buy an Aritzia Super Puff though, because I do not know how you guys here on the East Coast do winters like it's nothing. I changed my posting schedule to every other Sunday, so if you're new here, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, hit the notification button so that you do not miss out on any new videos that I post. Like this video, make sure to check me out on my other social, Heya It's Mar on Instagram and TikTok. I post a lot on TikTok, so just be mindful of that. And I'll see you angels in my next video. Bye, lots of love, and happy holidays!